Okay, what we're showing again today is another US Automatic Patriot 1 solar application done by Star Fence and Gate on an existing gate. Just operated the remote from outside, LCR remote. We just stopped it. Now we're going to walk over to the US Automatic keypad. This is the metal housing one. Go ahead and enter the code to close the gate. Now you can see the gate closing. Open the gate again with the remote. One thing you can see we have on here is the EMX photo eye shooting over to the reflector across the gate so we can cover a car and a truck. So now we're going to operate the gate in the closing position. And we'll just walk over here, we'll cross the photo eye, and it'll stop the gate and open back up. US Automatic in the past couple years has given us a better metal housing box, one that actually has a lock on it. Whether or not you want to say that's a foolproof lock or not is one thing. Cover off. Here on this application we just have the 35 amp battery. There's the charger for the solar panel. We have an LCR receiver, 2-button remote. We're only using a single button on this one. We will not offer a latch open on this particular gate. The new boards on US Automatic after, I believe, January 2016, they now come with a jumper. So you can use your photo eye in the old way you used it or in the new way as a second entrapment. The last thing we have on the gate is going to be the CarSense 3-wire probe. Comes with a 100-foot installation, so that's buried 100 feet back. And when we're done installing, we will test the exit probe to make sure that it opens. So we've got inside protection when people are inside, when the gate is in open position, and our protection for outside is going to be the photo eye over to the reflector. Then we have our solar panel installed in a southwestern direction, so all afternoon we have open sun, which for this particular battery we should get enough sun hours here in Texas where we are to complete the cycle we need every day. Once again, that's a US Automatic Patriot Solar 1 installation with the US Automatic battery operated keypad, US Automatic LCR remote receiver, a CarSense 3-wire probe, and that EMX photo eye for protection for inside and outside on this particular job. Thank you for watching our video.